Hey y'all, it's Chelsea. I am going to teach you guys today how to ask for Zillow reviews or how to request Zillow reviews from your current clients and your past clients. So we'll just jump right in. Just go to www.zillow.com. Then you're going to go over here, and I believe I'm already signed in, but I'm going to sign out so I can show you guys from start to end. So I'm going to sign in under John. Here we go. And I don't know if they have the correct password in here, so I'm going to do it from start to beginning just in case. All right, there we go. So now I'm signed into Sean's account. You guys will be signed into your own, obviously. And then you go to the Lender Hub. And after this, you're going to go to Reviews. And as you are in Reviews, you are going to see this Request Reviews title right here at the top. And then all you have to do is share this link with your clients, get reviews. Once they submit a review, it'll appear in the list below. So as you can tell, Sean already has a ton of reviews where he's requested reviews from his clients. And so this is how you guys are going to get reviews. It's very simple. Just copy this link right here. It will lead people to your page. And then open up your email. I was in my calendar, sorry. And then just go to new email. Then you're just going to put whatever their email address is. I'm going to put my own since I don't have any clients. So, and then just put Zillow review. And the best advice I can give you is whenever you are closing a loan and you go to your closing and you're talking, kind of wrapping things up and thanking your client for using you as their loan officer, especially if the experience was really great, you can say something like, you guys know exactly what to say more than I would because you are used to closing these deals. But I would say something to the effect of, thank you so much for letting me be the one to help you through the home buying process and for letting me be your loan officer. The best compliment I can get as your loan officer is to get referrals and also to get a great review from you guys on my Zillow account. So if it's okay with you, I will send you a link when I get home to a link to my Zillow account so you can leave a review for me if you enjoyed your experience. And if they say yes, that's your go ahead. When you get home, first thing you do is to send them this link. So like I said, you will go ahead and type up a message, which I've actually already done. I just did like a little template, I guess, for somebody if you continually have these things. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste it. Pretended like this was a guy named Brian, so obviously yours will be dear whoever you closed a loan for. So here we go. And in the future, hopefully, I'm going to try to set you guys up with a template where you can, we can set these up on Jungo as well. And where at the end of the process, you'll have a template already built in, and then you can just, put in the client's name, and it'll go ahead and automatically enter their information in here, along with your signature and along with the link to go and send you a Zillow review. So anyway, so obviously you just copy and paste that review right here on the review link, and then you just type a message thanking them again and reminding them to send you referrals and send. It'll go right to their email. And once they get that, all they have to do is click on that review link right there, which will take them back to the website. Of course, this one's going to tell me that I cannot leave a review for Sean because I'm actually logged in as him. And from professional to professional account, it won't allow me to do that. But as they come in here, it'll give them a opportunity just to write in a box, submit it, a review about you and their experience with you, and to set up an account as well, leave that review. So it's as simple as that, guys. I just have to encourage you to do this. I think Sean has over like 150 reviews on here, and that just makes a big deal. When people are looking for a lender, they go in there and see what an enjoyable experience it was to work with you. I don't know about you guys, for restaurants, for anything professional, I use those types of things myself. So and I know you guys do, whether you're buying something on Amazon or choosing a professional in that field to be able to choose to do work for you. So anyways, so this is really important. So just that's how you do it. That's how you request Zillow reviews, and I will continue to update you guys on new marketing ideas and tutorial videos on how to use some of these systems to be able to get more business. But I hope this was helpful today. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, okay? All right, you guys have a great day.